Since we've created our own variation of the game, let's set up some constants that we can use to refer to our 3 blocks in code. Just like in our hide-and-seek game, we'll create variables to use as constants. Let's create one for each of our blocks. Open the variable folder and select Make a Variable. Using constant case, let's name our first variable stone. Let's repeat this process for magma and once more for ice. Since these are constants, we want to establish their value right from the beginning of our code. So let's go back into the variable folder and grab the set variable block. We can drag it into our onStart block since it needs to be established right from the beginning. Let's choose stone from the dropdown. To set this to a stone block, let's go into our block folder and choose the block value and add it to the set variable block. Now we can change the block value to stone. Throughout this project, we'll be using some code blocks repeatedly. So let's remember how to duplicate code to save some time. We'll need to set our magma and ice variables. Let's right-click on the set stone block we have and select Duplicate. We can add this new block to our code, choose magma from the dropdown, and set our block value to a magma block. Let's do that one more time to set our ice variable to an ice block. Since we might be more familiar with rock, paper, scissors than stone, magma, ice, we can add some comments to our code to remind us along the way. Comments are a great way to remind us, or other people looking at our code, what a line or section of code will do. Since stone will be acting as rock, we can right-click on the set stone variable block and select Add Comment. In the comment box, let's type rock to remind us what this one will be. We can drag this box wherever we want it. Let's add comments to magma and ice as well. Magma will act as paper, and ice will act as scissors. In this video, we created our constants that will define our 3 block types for the game. We also labeled those constants with some comments to help us later on. In the next video, we will look at how to break our code into easy to understand parts by creating our first function.